You may think that all your plastic waste gets recycled, however, unfortunately, it's not always the case. 17% of the plastic waste in the UK gets exported. A quarter ends up in landfill in the UK. Nearly 50% gets incinerated, leading to more CO2 in the atmosphere, which leaves us with only 12% of the plastic waste actually being recycled here in the UK. It is estimated that there will be 29 million tons of plastic waste in our oceans by 2040. This is the same as one lorry continuously dumping waste in our oceans, every minute for a whole year. Liquid chemicals are very heavy, and therefore create excess carbon when transported. Our new Eco 1 range means transporting lightweight sachets to help reduce our carbon footprint by over 90%. Eco 1 is made less than 10 miles from our warehouse in Bristol and delivered either by our fleet of electric vehicles or by regular post.